Founded in 2006 and based in Peking, China, MAXGE operates a 133,000 square meters smart manufacturing hub. Is a high-tech enterprise integrating design, R&D, manufacturing, and marketing. A full-cycle tooling hub, powered by 50-plus precision machines for high-end mold design. 90% automated injection hub, featuring robotic arms and centralized feeding. In-house welding with 200 machines, featuring automated vision inspection. From ACB and MCCB to our MCB, RCCB, and our CBO. These 5 core automated workshops. We ensure 100% automated testing and full process digital traceability. Our high-precision smart manufacturing system ensures zero-defect delivery from raw materials to finished products, providing unmatched reliability for global partners. Stamping workshop features high-speed precision presses with automated die protection systems. Our sheet metal workshop offers full process capabilities from laser cutting to precision bending. Full-cycle automated powder coating line, ensuring fast and reliable delivery. MAXGE, making the best quality and cost performance breakers.